If you're thinking about buying a GL1800, or you already have one that's new to you, here are 10 things that you'll want to know. Number 1, Traxxion Dynamics makes suspension upgrades for these bikes. They're very good quality and include the rear monoshock as well as fork upgrades. You might not think they need it, but the upgrade will change your mind. Number 2, Henry's Final Drive is available to compensate for the lack of a 6th gear, which you'll find yourself looking for when you ride far enough on the freeway. You can check out the top 5 things that I wish I knew about the Goldwing before I bought it here. Number 3, parts are still widely available except for early ECMs. They made so many of these wings almost unchanged for over 20 years, so parts are really common. One major exception is the ECM for 2001 to 2005. I have a video explaining this problem, how to fix the original ECM, and another video on how to replace it. Grab your popcorn because it's a long one. If you don't have the stomach for that kind of repair, I don't blame you. So keep in mind, Honda redesigned the entire electrical system in 2006, so this problem was eliminated. Number 4, the cooling fans blow heat away from the rider, a great feature on warm days, but not for the bike. In the early years, riders often complained about overheating when feathering the clutch for low-speed maneuvers or traffic. In fact, this was so common, Honda released several new ECM part numbers with new timing advance maps to reduce the heat output at idle. If the coolant system hasn't been cared for, this may be a problem for you. They also changed the radiator size to 30% larger in 2006 to solve this problem. Number 5, floorboards often feel worse than the stock pegs. Made by Kiriakin, some riders swear by them, but most stick with the stock pegs. There are even rumors that the heel toe shifter on these can cause damage to the shifting shaft over time, resulting in the transmission jumping out of gear or not being able to engage at all. Number 6, the factory rear suspension has a hydraulic preload adjuster. This can be changed using the switch on the left panel. Unfortunately, the slave cylinder for this tends to leak eventually, so most people replace or delete it. Traxxion Dynamics makes a replacement version that adds a manual adjustment knob and is considered more reliable and maintenance-free. Number 7, riding 2-up with luggage can exceed rear motorcycle tire load ratings. One reason darksiding is common. Number 8, the linked braking and anti-dive system is complex and requires a precise bleeding procedure. There are 7 different places to bleed the system and they must be done in the correct order. Number 9, routine maintenance is labor-heavy because of how much teardown is required. These wings hide complexity very well, but that engineering means a simple air filter change became a multi-hour job, and that's if you're fast. You can check out my maintenance playlist here. And finally, number 10. Once you ride one, it will spoil you for other motorcycles. It's been said by many that the Goldwing is the perfect motorcycle. While I feel that's up for debate, there's no denying the commercial success of this Honda flagship. If you ever wondered why, just ride one and you'll know.